Hi, my name is Sofie.
Hi, my name is Max.
And we're both studying on the Foundation in Photography.
I chose Coleg y Cymoedd through social media really. I was able to interact with a tutor before the course started and it gave me more of appreciation for what was going on.
I chose the college because I was already studying here on the Foundation in Art and Design and through that then progressed on to the Foundation degree in Photography. A highlight for me has been working alongside the marketing department, doing food images over in Ystrad Mynach campus, as well as meeting friends for life and learning to communicate and socialise again.
The highlight for me for the course was returning from COVID and actually interacting with the students again and using the commercial links the college has. So we was able to meet businesses like Cardo and actually get out on site and shoot.
I would definitely recommend the college, without a doubt. I potentially would stay for the rest of my life if I could, but I have to go on and progress and carry on.
After college, I plan to pursue a degree in photojournalism at Cardiff and then pursue freelance work.